For this lesson, we will continue working on our math. This is where we stopped last time. We completed page 195. Now we will turn to page 196. The directions on the bottom say, for numbers 3 and 4, we're going to count the objects, say how many, then write the number 3 times. That's for this one and this one. For number 5, the directions are asking us to show the number 15 by drawing 15 boxes. So pause your video and work on 3, 4, and 5. Then press play to check your answers. These are the correct responses. Now look at page 197. At the top it says Lesson 4, Numbers 16 and 17. We're going to do this page together. On this page, we're going to draw circles to show the number 16. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now let's trace the number 16. Now, if I had counters, I could use them to make 17. I could add one counter right here to make 17. So you can try this with pennies. If you have some pennies at home, you can try to add one more penny to show 17. I don't have counters, so I'm just going to keep my page like this. Now let's look at page 198. On page 198, you're going to count the objects in each question and write the number of objects 3 times. So pause your video, take your time to do this, then press play to check your work. These are the correct responses. In number 1 and 2, you would trace the 16 and 17. In number 3, you would have 17 objects and then you would write it 3 times. If you didn't get the correct number, go back and count the objects again. Now, let's continue the same for number 4 on page 199. You're going to count the objects, then write the number. For numbers 5 and 6, they give you the number. You're going to trace it 3 times and then show the number by using objects in the tens frame. Here you would need 16 objects, and for here you would need 17 objects. So take your time to do this and pause your video, then press play to check your work. These are your correct responses. Take your time to look at each one to see if you did it correctly. Now, on page 200, we will do this page together. In number 7, it's asking us to count the objects, say how many, and draw more to show 16. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's draw more to show 16. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now for number 8, we will do the same thing, but this time we're going to draw more to show 17. So let's count. Well, we know this tens frame is full, so we know that this is already 10. So we can start counting over here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Pause your video if you need more time and check your work. Now, the last part of this lesson are your homework pages. The homework pages are page 201 and 202. You will do the same thing that we did in the classwork lesson. So you will count the objects, then write the number 3 times for each question. So go ahead and do that for page 201 and pause your video and then press play to check your work. These are the correct responses. Now try to do the same thing on page 202 for numbers 3 and 4. And when you get to numbers 5 and 6, for this one you're going to draw 16 objects, and for this one you're going to draw 17 objects. So pause your video and then press play to check your work. These are your correct responses. Now that you're all done, ask an adult to take a picture of page 102 page 201 and page 202 and post it to Google Classroom.